Hi, I'm Tony Serra, and welcome to the Serra Law Group website. I want to take this opportunity to introduce myself and our staff. We have a terrific team of professionals who will happily assist you if you need our legal services. In a moment, they will each introduce themselves and give you a brief idea of what their roles are at the law firm. In thinking about what I could possibly say in a minute or two to make you feel comfortable in terms of hiring us to represent you, I thought about the 30 years or so I've been in private practice, and honestly, to me, it comes down to three factors, none of which really have to do with what law school I attended or what my grades were or how many awards I may have received over the years. None of that really matters when you are faced with a legal issue and need good legal advice. So the three factors that I believe that matter most to people are, number one, do you care? Does the lawyer and his or her staff care about you, the client? And caring starts with taking the time to listen to what you have to say and understanding fully your situation. We cannot help resolve your issue unless we first understand your issue from your perspective. And I've always been a believer that, care always precedes the cure. So number one, does the attorney care? Does he take the time to listen? Two, does the lawyer know what he or she is doing? And we only take on cases that we know very well. And I've been, again, practicing for 30 years, and I've handled many different types of cases, from divorce to bankruptcy to personal injury. And at this point, it's fair to say that we only take cases within four major practice areas, and that includes estate planning, wills and powers of attorney and living wills, estate administration, what's known as probate. We handle real estate, selling and buying, mostly residential, but also commercial, and elder law. And in that area, mostly in the area of guardianship cases, adult guardianship cases. And number three, the third factor is the attorney on top of his or her files. That, to me, is the key to effective representation. And over the years, I've developed an internal accountability process that requires every open matter that we have be reviewed at least weekly to see what, if anything, can be done or should be done to move your matter along in a positive direction. And we make sure this way nothing falls through the cracks, and nothing's overlooked, and we keep the client apprised of the status of their matter. So at this point, I'd like to introduce my staff to you, and they will each introduce themselves and give you a general sense of what their role is in the law firm. Thank you.